on there. But that was a ton to see in a short amount of time. That was super duper impressive.
Yeah, I mean, I know the data science agent is really taking off based on the reaction here. It's true.
Right.
And I'm excited to see our next set of agents for data launching this year.
Yeah, I like this concept of agents as teammates. It's not just about using a single call to a model and that's it. It's more than that. As devs, we're more empowered with agents to do ongoing and complex analyses with all of our data.
Yeah, well, Richard, what else do we have for everyone today?
I think we got one more big demo. We want to give you a sneak peek into what we really see as the future of software development. We've got some amazing features coming later this year that will make building software so much faster and easier by using a software engineering agent. What else? To further boost productivity. To show us how all this works, get excited for my friend Scott Densmore.
Hey everyone, I want to walk you through an early view of how you'll build software using agents designed specifically to help developers. This functionality is coming to you later this year. Gemini Code Assist provides an extra pair of coding hands to help you create applications and remove repetitive and mundane tasks so you can focus on the fun stuff. This is the Gemini Code Assist Kanban board. We're moving beyond editors to a new way to develop software with agents. The Kanban board will let you orchestrate agents to help you in all aspects of the software development lifecycle. It includes something we're calling a backpack that holds all your engineering context, style guides, security policies, formatting preferences, even your previous feedback. So Code Assist can be a more effective coding partner. All right, let's start here. We've got a technical design doc for a Java migration, a task I think we'd all like to hand off. So we'll make a comment and assign the migration to Code Assist directly from our Google Doc. When it has questions, those will get added to the comment thread where we can respond directly. This new task will show up on the Kanban board so we can keep track of its progress. Google Docs isn't the only place you might want to start a new engineering task. We can ask Code Assist, or send to Code Assist, a message asking it to fix this continuous integration build failure directly from our team chat room. Or you could assign it a bug directly from your bug tracker. In fact, why even assign bugs manually when we can just ask Code Assist to do it? It can keep an eye on our repo to perform bug triage, do root cause analysis, and fix issues automatically. We can ask it to do code reviews on all incoming pull requests, leaving great actionable feedback. Much better than I get from Richard. Nobody puts baby in a backpack.
Out of here.
And of course, you'll see all those assigned tasks, bugs, and each new issue as they arrive right in the Kanban board. While we're here, let's start a new project. We'll take a product requirement document for an earthquake monitoring web app and ask Code Assist to produce a prototype. Okay, that looks good. We're going to fast forward through this a bit, and then we're going to preview that web app right from within the Kanban board. You can see how this now becomes our new development loop. I can tell Code Assist the changes I want and let it take another pass and repeat that until I'm happy with what I see. Or I could decide I want to just dive into the code right in my IDE. So you know, it's been a few weeks since I started this project. I think Richard been doing some check-ins, and he likes to do a lot of talking, but not a lot of coding or playing baseball. So let's see what he's done. Oh, Richard. Of course, he left me some to-dos. So I'm going to hand this off to Code Assist, and then I'm going to look into his code access.
Oh, don't do me like that.
Oh, you just wait. I think that was a build failure was you earlier, wasn't it?
Probably.
Probably. All right. So designed to tackle all kinds of developer tasks, Code Assist and Kanban board will extend your reach and allow you to do more as a developer and turn even more of your ideas into reality. I invite all of you to check out the App Dev Spotlight right after the keynote, where Ryan J. Sauble will show you some of these great new features in much more detail and tell you how to sign up for the preview. Thank you.
There you go. Give it up for my former friend Scott. That's
It's like, do I need to get in between you two?
gosh, so rough.
Well, that really felt like the future of software development, right?
Amazing.
I love the idea that it will let me spend the vast majority of my development time focused on solving interesting and important problems and less time on the boring stuff like writing tests and CRUD code.
You're doing a lot of CRUD code right now?
I won't be.
Yeah. I mean, building a prototype or MVP like we're showing here is definitely a bit different from adding new functionality for an enterprise with a big, massive, complex code base. But what this shows is that AI can write good code for everyone and interact with all of us on whatever surfaces we work with. I'm excited about that. I think orchestrating agents is a big part of the future of software development. And we just showed a fresh development loop here for small, large enterprises alike, where AI works with the developer to build the right things and then build it right.
Yeah, so I don't know about you, but I cannot wait to build with my own fleet of agents.
You cannot wait to build a fleet of agents.
It's a fleet.
All right.
And I know we have one last thing to share. What is up next, Richard?
Agent fleets? No.
Oh, good guess.
No, even before Next, there has been a lot of buzz about VO2. We saw some stuff here as well. It's a really cool model. There is so much excitement out there for what's possible.
Yeah, that's right. And we love seeing what you all have been making so far with VO. From short films to magical animated scenes and so much more. I personally really love the things that aren't possible outside of animation or special effects. I mean, so much of what I've seen is just so fun and whimsical.
That would be our band name.
It should be.
Yeah. All of that is available today on Vertex AI, which is amazing. You can build with this, but we wanted to give you one more peek behind the curtain at what's achievable when Google Cloud and Google DeepMind team up with partners to stretch the boundaries of what's possible in entertainment when you use this same technology. The Sphere just announced that it will be presenting a fully immersive experience of the 1939 film, The Wizard of Oz. Let's take a look.
What we're doing with The Wizard of Oz at the Sphere is make you feel like you're there.
The process of getting this immersive experience off the ground has 10,000 moving parts. How could we adapt that 4x3 image, and how could we spread that on the media plane and take you to another world?
We had to figure out super resolution, outpainting, and performance.
Google was the only company that was actually capable of doing this.
We actually had to add in and restore more detail than existed in the original film. The second problem is we needed to complete the characters that were cut off outside the field of view of the original cinema production. The third problem is, with a much wider field of view, we could see characters that should be there but were never captured on camera. And so we needed to generate those performances completely. We needed to use AI to train on all of the material in the original movie to effectively reconstruct a memory. Then we could transport the audience back into that memory of the original movie and reproduce that experience in the Sphere.
The key for us in all that we're doing with AI is to maintain the integrity of the original filmmaker's intent. It's part of our cultural history. You can't just take it and do anything with it.
That challenge led us to a series of guiding principles that became one of the most complex productions I think I've ever seen or heard of.
So I know which shot I need to upscale. So I come to this program that I've written, right? So this program launches a pipeline on Google Cloud infrastructure. And what it does is it takes low resolution input and produces high resolution output. Now I've run this exact shot through our SR model, and this is what we get. So to get to this stage, we had to push the boundaries of the technology that was available.
VO is one of our well-defined video models.
VO is one of the biggest super resolution breakthroughs. Yeah, how does VO work? Okay, say you zoom in on a video and you take a patch of it and you train a model that learns, here's that image in high resolution, and then it learns how to take a small, low quality, low res version of that and give you a beautiful high res video.
A new technology and a new tool enables a new story to be told in a new way. We went from an era of models and miniatures and special effects, and now we're entering a new era where teams of artists are working with AI to follow in the footsteps of filmmakers for the last 100 years.
Wow.
It's really cool, right? Every time I get chills.
Yeah.
And I really think it's only the beginning. And I can't wait to see what other entertainment projects are possible with this technology and what our customers will do with VO2.
I really love that we showed so much that you can do today, not futures, right now. Use AI Studio to experiment with the latest Gemini models, including those that have that advanced reasoning we talked about. Develop agents that change how you work with the Agent Development Kit, and run agents at scale with Vertex AI.
And combine multiple agents working together into a single application or service to do work for you. Use Gemini in your favorite IDE, or bring your favorite model from Vertex AI Model Garden.
And in the very near future, you will use agents to help you dive into your data without needing to be an expert in Spark or other big data frameworks. Software development agents will handle the toilsome dev work for you, so we can focus on the fun, complex engineering problems. Look, if you work with Google Cloud, in some ways, you're already working in the future.
Well, that was all amazing, but I personally loved Jake's baseball demo.
Me too.
Gemini makes computer vision so easy and accessible, which made me realize that I can use Gemini to improve in so many things. For one, basketball.
Baseball.
Learning guitar, even my cooking skills. See our latest demos, try the products talked about on stage, and get your questions answered by technical experts in the Google Cloud Showcase in the heart of the main keynote expo hall.
Amazing, and that is the show. I am really excited to see what you all build next with Gemini and Google Cloud. Let's get out there and start building. Thank you.